In this video, we cover replacing the maintenance cartridge in your Canon TX series printer. To replace your maintenance cartridge, open the door on the front bottom right side of your printer. Once you remove the full maintenance cartridge, you will receive an indicator telling you to replace with a new one. Once you've removed the full maintenance cartridge, place it into the provided bag for disposal. Then, take the new maintenance cartridge and place it back into the machine and close the door. After installing the new maintenance cartridge, you can place the used one in the same box for disposal.